All right, guys, here we go. Out here once again, I'm going to try this Savage A22 rifle I had out here shooting the target the other day, and it stopped extracting and it wasn't getting light. Wasn't getting no firing pin strikes on the cases. And I looked up in there, way above the chamber in there was a smashed shell back up there. You had to really look to see it. So it's don't have to worry about broken firing pin. I changed out the aim 3 to 9 scope on it to this Edinburgh, which has a diopter on it. Much better scope, better controls, overall more quality of the scope. So I easily got it sighted in here. I want to shoot some Remington Cyclones. I know you guys say, here he is with the Remingtons again. Now, last time I was shooting the ranch hands. This is the Cyclones. I can't help it if I got a bunch of it for Christmas. Okay, I gotta get it shot up. So we'll do some shooting here. We'll start them swingers there at them 25 yards. Where am I at here? I got lowered down with the bipod just notch. There's the bottom. We got the tops now. Okay, let's come on over here. Yeah, that's probably 28, 29 yards, 30 yards maybe. I think that should be real easy to hit. It doesn't ring loud, but you can see it swinging there a little bit. Okay, let's go up there. The swingers out there at 50 yards. I think I raise the bipod up a little bit. Okay, here we go. All right, let's go over these other ones here. The bigger ones here. Alright, I guess so. Let me pause you and I'll load up again. Alright, guys, let's go for this. Ah, come on. Did I put anything in there? I did my, I jacked it around in there, my magazine fell out. There we go. Yeah, what can I say? Savage Herder magazines. Okay. Okay, where are we going to shoot at here now? Okay, now you notice straight back there, that swinger back there, that's a swinger, it's a little bit smaller, so it should ring a little bit thinner metal, so it should ring pretty good. That's new out in the range. Let's see, that's at 75 yards. You see it rocking fine, you should be able to. Okay, let's come over here. Yeah, it's a 50-yard swinger there in the middle. This stick, it doesn't ring real loud. Be sure you'll see it move. You can see that easy. Okay, we got another thick swinger over there. To the left of that silhouette. Yeah, it's a thick one too. You see it rocking. Put one up there in the silhouette, it'll ring loud. Okay, come on back over. We just pull around here. Okay, this at 100 yards there. Let's go for that smaller orange swinger there. That's a new one there on the sawhorse there. If you heard that one or not. Then let's go on with that 16-inch gong there. It always rings nice and loud. Let's see. Okay. Down there by the edge of the woods, that's 110 yards. That white silhouette down there. See if I can hit that one. Yep. And we're out. Okay, I'm going to pause you. We'll shoot a group here at the. Let me turn around here. At 25 yards. Right there, but I'm going to have to set you up in the spotting scope here so you can see. Alrighty, guys, now I'm going to do that first. I know that target's kind of washed out right there. It's a fuel firepower at Illinois Air Guns target. I put it up the other day and it snowed again, cold days, you know. So I got another fresh one I got to put there. I'm going to do that target right there. But let's go for that first target. Let's see what kind of group we can put. That's 25 yards. Remember, this is with Remington Cyclones, not no match ammo. Of course, this ain't no match rifle either. But I tell you what, you look at 25 yards through this scope compared to that aim is a world of difference. I can actually see everything on here. Okay. Now let's pretend that's a squirrel's eyeball. Okay. Let's put another one there. Yeah, high, that one. We got 5 there. See, well, I'm gonna get another 5 with magazine bone, come down a couple clicks. I'll put another group in there. 2. Let's do 5 more rounds. That one right beside it there. And that one wasn't near as tight, was it there? Still a little high. Quite cracky. I can't. Hold on, I'm going to do. I'm going to go 3 clicks there and down. And I'm going to put 5 more rounds in because what the heck? Right? Someone said I was shooting thunderbolts the other day. He commented in a video right there. Thunderbolts is like lightning, and you never know where it never strikes twice in the same place. Okay. Let's go with that third one over. Now this gas AccuTrigger in there, and it's supposed to go down 2.5 pounds. It won't do it. Trust me, I got the tool. I know how to do it. And one guy questioned me if I was adjusting it right. Yes, I know how to adjust it. Yes, I read the instructions. Yes, I looked at videos. It just won't go. I can turn it up higher, but 4.5 pounds is it. What the heck? Did I get in the same hole there a couple times? Perhaps. I think. Maybe. Don't pay attention to the one down below that right there because I was they were already there. As shooting before, just make sure I ain't got another one in here when I click it off. Now I took a little more time pulling the trigger on that, and so ergo a little bit smaller group, I guess, in that second group. Let me pause you there. Yeah, there he is. I wanted to get out here a little sooner today and do a little more shooting. It's getting the sun's starting to go down on me, but I'll do a couple, maybe a few more videos tomorrow. Right there. The Remington Cyclone. I don't think I've ever had them really do any real good groups. I've tried before. This obviously is a new box. I shot old box before. It's something I got given to me for Christmas. And I tell everybody for Christmas, just give me ammo. I don't care, just give me ammo. Hoping for the match grade stuff, but no one ever gets it. Alrighty, that Edinburgh scope makes a big difference compared to that aim for sure. It's a fun one to shoot right there. What do you shoot? You're usually shooting, squirrel, maybe 25, 30 yards, something like that, usually. 50's kind of stretching it out there, but let me know what you think, guys, and seems to be working good now, except for that heavy trigger. We'll talk to you next time.